Embark on a journey where tradition meets innovation in the essence of the craftsmanship of Zwilling. Discover the Zwilling 1731 series, a tribute to centuries of knife-making excellence from Solingen, Germany, marrying historic skill with contemporary design. The series features Nitro B steel, known for extraordinary toughness and superior corrosion resistance, providing the foundation for the knife's unparalleled strength. Enhanced with our FRIODUR ice-hardening process, these knives maintain their edge for longer, ensuring persistent precision. Sharpened to a meticulous 25 degrees angle, Zwilling 1731 knives offer unmatched slicing ease, embodying the pinnacle of sharpness. Designed with a curved bolster to support a natural pinch grip and a Cerakote wood handle that marries visual beauty with comfort, each knife promises a harmonious cutting experience. The Zwilling 1731 series is not merely cutlery, but a legacy of our relentless pursuit of excellence, symbolizing the fusion of age-old craftsmanship with modern innovation.